الحمد والنعمة لك الملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك.
The two direct flights of 420 pilgrims each left from Srinagar on Tuesday for Medina in Saudi Arabia from Srinagar International Airport. Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti and Hajj and Awqaf Minister Farooq Andrabi visited the pilgrims at the airport. CM Mehbooba requested the pilgrims to pray for peace and prosperity of Jammu and Kashmir. Officials said two direct flights carrying 840 pilgrims from Jammu and Kashmir to Saudi Arabia will operate daily from Tuesday till August 5. This year, 8,106 pilgrims are scheduled to perform the holiest Muslim pilgrimage of Hajj from Jammu and Kashmir state. Two assistants, especially trained by the Hajj committee, are accompanying the pilgrims in each flight. At least 40 such assistants called Khuddamul Hujaz will remain on duty with pilgrims during this year's Hajj. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك الملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Srinagar, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.